There is no single fixed schedule for replacing plumbing tools since it depends on how often they are used and what they are made of. But a good rule of thumb is to inspect hand tools every 6 months and replace them fully every 3 to 5 years, while pipes, hoses, and rubber seals inside your tools should be checked much more often since they wear out faster than metal parts. Think of plumbing tools like the tires on a car. You do not throw away tires the day you buy the car, but you also do not wait until they are completely bald and dangerous before checking them. Plumbing wrenches, pliers, and cutters slowly lose their grip and sharpness every time they are used, especially if they get wet or sit around rusting in a damp garage. One thing most people do not know is that a lot of plumbing tool failure actually comes from moisture getting trapped inside the tool storage box, which causes rust to form on the inside of jaws and hinges long before the outside looks bad. A simple trick is to toss a small packet of silica gel, the same kind found in shoe boxes, into your toolbox to soak up extra moisture. Also, rubber washers and gaskets inside basin wrenches or pipe wrenches dry out and crack from heat and chemical exposure, so they often fail long before the metal body does. Checking these small rubber parts twice a year can save you from a much bigger and messier repair later. One common mistake is assuming that if a tool still looks shiny and clean, it must still be working perfectly. But looks can be deceiving since the real damage often happens on the inside where you cannot see it, so always test the grip and movement of the tool, not just its appearance. Another misconception is thinking that expensive tools never need replacing, when in reality even high-quality steel wears down from repeated use on tough or corroded pipes, so keep an eye on how much force you need to use compared to before, since needing more muscle usually means the tool is losing its edge. A third thing many people overlook is that plastic and rubber parts age faster in hot or humid areas. So if you live somewhere like Texas, checking those parts every few months instead of once a year is a smart habit. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message them back with their estimates.